Here we are at the Champaign-Urbana Community Fabrication Laboratory, or to be short, Fab Lab. According to Wikipedia, a Fab Lab is a small-scale workshop with an array of flexible computer control tools that cover several different length scales and various materials, with the aim to make almost anything. Hobbyists and professionals come in here to work on their projects using laser cutter, CNC machine, and the vinyl cutter.
It's a water bottle, and it's for my job as a school bus driver, and I just wanted to make something very personalized and individualized, and we were cutting on stainless steel that's been anodized coated, and we were able to figure out how to get the laser to actually cut into the anodized without going through the integrity of the metal. It's very fascinating and very wonderful to be able to have the access to this kind of equipment.
So far, it sounds no different from any labs we've seen. However, a community Fab Lab is more than that. It's a place where collaboration happens, communication happens, magic happens. It is a place where people are bound together.
So the Fab Lab concept is to make this equipment available to everybody. And that means that we try to keep the access to this equipment as open as possible. And that means that we have a much more diverse user group here in the Fab Lab. And this creates a really interesting work atmosphere. I think the interesting part about this story about the Neuromaker is that it started through a collaboration between two different parts of the university, which both went to the Fab Lab. So the Fab Lab made it possible that I could meet people from computer science, and they met me, and we started to work together. So I think the Fab Lab draws people who all are interested in using this kind of equipment. They're interested in the technology, and they're interested in collaboration.
We are making mobile furniture. Ask them. They're the ones. It's going to be immobilized. What is this? What are we calling this?
What is this?
Thingy.
What is this?
Motorized
mobile
furniture.
couch chair thing.
We split the team basically in two, and one half is working on making or refurbishing a go-kart, and they're pretty well on their way with that. And the other half is working on the, motorized furniture, I guess. The idea is to have some sort of couch or two couches for more than one person, and it's going to be motorized so you can ride around in style and comfort and have entertainment too. The program itself is not directly linked to Fab Lab, it's just that we happen to have the right connections, so we're here. And it is a great place to work at because the people and resources here are very useful.
People not only work and learn here, they also eat together and share their lives. It's like a family.
I heard that there are people coming only for the food.
Yeah, and then everyone eats correctly, and that was what I was worried about. And we were going out and ordering and bringing in, and we were not eating healthy, none of us. So when I make it, for Gary and I, there's enough usually for 15 to 20 people.
Oh, it's great. I mean, this has really turned out to be a community of like-minded people. So even when I don't have anything to build, like I don't have anything to build today, but I'm here just because I like the people so much that I want to come and hang out and socialize, and it's made a lot of great friends here really quickly just because we all share this common interest in building stuff and sharing what we learn, and the educational process that comes along with that, and that's been incredibly cool, and I really like that. Plus, they all like my kids, so.
It's actually a Fab Lab. Yeah. It's a magic place. It's a place where honest to God enchantment happens. You would not believe what goes on. People go poof, and they have all these wonderful things like ideas and fantasies and dreams, and it all comes true. All they have to do is work a little bit and they've got what they want. It's just amazing. So the Fab Lab is a place where dreams are manufactured. Wow. Where people get so enthusiastic and excited that they really don't even realize that they've spent hours and hours and hours doing something and working really hard. It's like they get all done and it's like magic.